Ever grappled with the overwhelming influx of data from multiple sources and wondered how to make sense of it all? In the rapidly evolving world of information technology, this is a common challenge. But there's a solution: building a dashboard. A dashboard in the realm of IT is a visual interface that organizes and presents information in an easily digestible way. It's like the control panel in a car, displaying all the crucial information you need to navigate the road ahead. In the context of IT, a dashboard can help to make sense of vast amounts of data, presenting it in a way that's easy to understand and act upon. The first step in building a dashboard is to identify the key data you want to track. This could be anything from user behavior metrics on a website, to sales figures, to blockchain transactions. Once you've identified the key data points, the next step is to gather this data from the relevant sources. This could involve integrating data from a blockchain and from Google Sheets into a database using Elastic Kibana, for example. The process of integrating data from various sources can be complex, and it's important to ensure that all data is accurately represented. This might involve using a component like the Cardano DB Sync Data, which follows the Cardano chain and stores blocks and transactions in PostgreSQL. Once the data has been gathered and integrated, it's time to start building the dashboard. There are many tools available to help with this process, including Microsoft Power BI, Tableau, Microsoft Excel, Google Data Studio, and Kibana. These tools can help to visualize the data, creating charts, graphs, and other visual representations that make the data easy to understand at a glance. The choice of tool will depend on the specific needs of the project and the skills of the team. The dashboard can be integrated into a website and placed behind a password for security. The server and hosting details will need to be shared by the client, and the dashboard can be deployed with the client's website. In summary, building a dashboard involves identifying the key data points, gathering and integrating this data from various sources, and then using visualization tools to present this data in an easily digestible format. The dashboard can then be integrated into a website and deployed with the client's website. This process can help to make sense of complex data, providing a clear and concise overview of the information that's most important. Whether you're a blockchain enthusiast or just someone who wants to better understand their data, a dashboard can be a powerful tool. This solution was designed and developed by the Blackcoffer team. For more information or to get in touch, visit www.blackcoffer.com.